So this is 15 Cragg Street, two-bedroom terrace in Barrow-in-Furness. You're on a quiet street. That's how you access the street down there. And you're just, well, crikey, you're only turning left and you're down to Abbey Road. And this is the street at the top. There's some parking and garages in the back lane. So quiet street, lots of parking opportunities to the front. Let's go in and take a look at the terrace. So it's in nice condition, all been freshly painted and updated since the last tenant left the property. And you come straight into a living room, and there's stairs leading up to the first floor, which we'll just show you. Carpet's all in nice condition. We've got a nice vinyl floor down here in the living room space. And as you can see, it's open plan to the kitchen through the archway. So if I just turn around and give you a proper glance of the living room. Room in here for a settee, an easy chair. You get a TV table into the corner. The property is gas centrally heated, all double glazed. And then we come into the kitchen. So as I say, open plan to the living room. And we've got a mixture of base and wall units, contrasting work surfaces over. We've got a stainless steel sink here and space for your washing machine. Over here, the main run of units where we've got an electric oven, ceramic hob, plenty of storage space, drawers and cupboards for all your kitchen items. So we then make our way through into an inner hall. So this is a good place to hang coats, maybe keep prams or bikes or whatever. It contains the gas-fired boiler, which is a Worcester boiler, and you've also got the door leading out to the yard. Ground floor bathroom, 3-piece bath, low-level WC, wash-hand basin, and it's all been wall-panelled. So nice and hygienic, better alternative to tiles. So it keeps the bathroom looking nice and new. You don't get any of the mold problems that you get with tiling. So that's your bathroom, and we'll turn around and we'll make our way upstairs and show you the 2 bedrooms. So the bigger of the 2 bedrooms is to the front. So you can see here, double bed, easily accommodated in here, room for wardrobes, bedside cabinets, chest of drawers, etc. You've got a window, double glazed, looking out onto the front street. And if we spin round, you can get an idea and appreciation of the space that's available. And we're going through into the 2nd bedroom. So this is to the rear of the property. Now, I would describe this room as capable of taking a double bed. It certainly would have double bedroom proportions, or it's a very large single. So good 2nd bedroom could be good perhaps as a home office or a separate reception room, depending on who and what sort of lifestyle you've got when you took the property. And out the back here, you can see it looks out onto a rear street. There is a small rear yard, which you could certainly keep bikes and outdoor things like prams stored in. So gas central heated, double glazed, all freshly painted, really, really nice condition, good, well-fitted kitchen, coming available now, 15 Cragg Street. Do get in touch if you're interested.